Hello students, I am MK Roy and I am presenting here chapter motion. Let us have a quick look of the contents which I shall be discussing here one by one. Physical quantity, systems of units, scalars and vectors, and distance and displacement. Now let's see these topics one by one. So see here, first quantity that is called first point that is called physical quantity. Students, these physical quantities are those quantities which require their measurement for complete description. यानी हमारे पास बहुत सारी क्वांटिटीज होंगी जिन सभी को मेजर करना आवश्यक है. विदाउट मेजरमेंट वी कैन नॉट डिसाइड, we cannot give the complete description of these units or these quantities, right? Suppose those quantities are listed as length, mass, time, speed, velocity, and all different physical quantities which will be coming across in subsequent chapters, right? Now, what are these physical quantities? As I have said to you that these quantities require their measurement. Without measurement, these are nonsense, right? For example, suppose we say length, mass, time. I am taking these three quantities in my discussion here, and these three quantities are known as the basic quantities or fundamental quantities. और बाकी सारी क्वांटिटीज इन्हीं तीनों मास, लेंथ और टाइम पर डिपेंड होंगे. ठीक. नाउ सपोज these three quantities are there, then these three quantities or every physical quantity is associated with mostly two types of tags. What are these two tags? How much and or we can write here what. There are two tags generally, how much or what. For example, if we talk about this length, then we say how much length or what is the length. Mass, how much mass, what is the mass. Time, what is the time or how much is the time. Similarly for speed, how much is the speed, what is the speed, what is the velocity, and so on. Now, to find the solution of these two questions of tags, what can we do? What we need? Let us have an example, right? Suppose I have a tabletop. This is tabletop, and for this tabletop I want to measure the length of this tabletop. What is the length of this tabletop? Right? So how we can measure the length of this tabletop? We have to decide some fundamental quantity, or we have to take some source with the help of which this length can be measured. Okay. Suppose I take this very marker as the source or standard I chosen, right? I have chosen this as a standard to measure the length of this tabletop. And what to do? I just keep this marker from starting from here, and one by one I measure the length. Suppose I am measuring this very length, then I have to keep this as this one, 2. Similarly, I can measure the length of this one. Suppose this marker covers this length in 3 times or 2 times, 3 times suppose. So what can we write? What is the length of this? So length of this is equal to 3 times what? The marker. Marker has been taken as the standard or source to measure. Take some other example. Suppose I have a bucket full of water. This is full of water, and I want to measure the amount of water contained by this bucket. How can we measure? Okay, so let us take. Can you decide this marker to measure this quantity of water? Of course not, because This is another type of physical quantity, volume we are deciding here. Okay, this is length, this is volume. Then what source we need to measure the quantity of or volume of water in this bucket? Then we decide, suppose glass, because this is liquid, suppose glass or can or mug, anything you can decide. And take, suppose glass, and in glass take one by one glass, two glass, three glass. Suppose this bucket of water contains 5 units of glass, right? So it is 5 units, 5 times. If we take 5 glasses, then it will be emptied, खाली हो जाएगा, ये बाल्टी खाली हो जाएगी. So what is the measurement of this volume? This is a physical quantity. Volume is 5 times what? Glass. Now student, see here, I have taken marker as the source or standard chosen to measure the length, and that marker was not being used in this measurement, this volume measurement, this water type measurement, this liquid type measurement, and we have decided another source, that is called glass. What are these? Marker and glass, mug, can, etc. Meter tape. What are these? These are called the standard chosen to measure the physical quantity. लेंथ को मेजर करने के लिए हमने क्या लिया? मार्कर लिया. लिक्विड को मेजर करने के लिए हमने क्या लिया? सपोज ग्लास लिया. इसी प्रकार से टाइम को मेजर करने के लिए हमने क्या लिया? तो दूसरा किसी स्टैंडर्ड को हमने चूज किया, which will be decided here later on. So what are these? Marker, glass, etc. These are called the units. These standard chosen to measure the physical quantity is called the unit for those physical quantities. So let us take the unit, and you can define this unit as the standard chosen to measure different physical quantities is called the unit for that very physical quantity. Means you have to take different units for different types of physical quantities. So we may add here that the standard of the same kind as that of the physical quantity, which is to be taken to measure the physical quantities, is called unit of that physical quantity. So let's say there are three systems of units. The first system of unit is known as MKS system. Means meter, M for meter, K for kilogram, and S for second. This MKS system of unit is also known as SI system, that is called International System of Unit. And we shall be expressing each and every physical quantities in SI system. Books are also written in this SI system unit, right? The second system will be CGS system. C for centimeter, G for gram, and S for second. Just to convert this meter into centimeter, kilogram into gram, and second will remain second. This is MKS, this is CGS. MKS system is also known as International System of Unit. This is SI, symbol है वो. The third is FPS system. Again, F for foot, P for pound, and S for second. This is known as British System of Unit, and this is the outdated unit, right? So we are not concerned here about this British System of Unit. So let us rub this one. So we have MKS and CGS, और हम दोनों यूनिट्स पर MKS और CGS पर अपने आप को रखेंगे, और इन्हीं दोनों यूनिट्स के रिगार्डिंग में सारे फिजिकल क्वांटिटी के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे, राइट? सपोज दिस MKS सिस्टम, आई हैव रिटन हियर MKS सिस्टम, दिस इज CGS सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट, एंड वी हैव थ्री बेसिक क्वांटिटीज, फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज, जिसको मेजर करने की आवश्यकता थी. कौन कौन थे? लेंथ, मास एंड टाइम. सो आई हैव रिटन हियर, सपोज लेंथ, दिस इज मास, and this is time. So see here, very basic fundamental thing to go further for distance displacement. To write this MKS system, Length will be taken in meter. I have written here meter. So this is meter. Symbol is M. Mass will be measured in MK system as kg, that is called kilogram. These are the symbols. And time will be measured in second. Symbol is S. Mass kg, length meter, this small m, time is second, small s or capital S. Again this is CGS system. Mass will be converted, means length, meter will be converted into centimeter. C for centimeter, G for gram. So this will be gram. Either you can write G or GR, right? And this is S, time, second. This second will remain second. So this is the basic thing. MKS, meter, means length meter, mass kg, time second. In CGS system, length will be expressed in centimeter, mass will be in gram, and time will be in second. Okay. Now we have very important terms, two terms, scalars and vectors, to study further every physical quantities in subsequent chapters of class 9 and further in different classes. These are very important one, because every physical quantities will be categorized under scalars and vectors, either scalar or vector. So we have to take care of scalars and vectors. What are these? Let us see here. I have written here scalars means Hindi. In Hindi, adish राशि. अदिश नहीं, और मीन्स नहीं, दिश मतलब दिशा, राशि क्वांटिटी, अदिश राशि यानी जिस क्वांटिटी के पास कोई परफेक्ट दिशा ना हो, स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन ना हो, सिर्फ वैल्यू हो. ओके, सो हाउ कैन यू डिफाइन दिस स्केलर्स? Those physical quantities which require or which have only magnitude value हो सिर्फ, but not specific direction, कोई खास फिक्स दिशा नहीं होगी, राइट? सो स्केलर्स आर अदिश राशि विदाउट दिशा का, those physical quantities which have only magnitude but not specific direction. Take examples of this scalar quantity. For example, we have suppose length, mass, time. I am repeating this one, these three ones, because these are very basic quantities जो हमेशा यूज करना पड़ेगा. So length, mass and time. Suppose again we have length and next one is speed and etc. These are the physical quantities which are known as scalars. Length, mass, time, speed etc. और बहुत सारी क्वांटिटीज होंगी हमारे पास जिनके पास सिर्फ वैल्यू होगा, उनका कोई स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन नहीं होगा, दिशा उनके साथ नहीं होगा. Now second type of physical quantities are known as vectors. In Hindi known as सदिश राशि, दिशा के साथ, सदिश राशि मीन्स दिशा भी होगा इसके साथ, वैल्यू भी होगा, मैग्नीट्यूड भी होगा. सो क्या क्या लिख सकते हैं डेफिनेशन में? दोज फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज विच हैव मैग्नीट्यूड एंड स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन, rather here खास दिशा, स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन, are called vectors. Those physical quantities which are having magnitude as well as specific directions are known as vectors. For example, we can take suppose weight, force, momentum, acceleration, etc. And also very common, this is called velocity, etc. etc. I am writing these all physical quantities because we have to study these all physical quantities in different chapters in class 9 itself. So let us have, we have decided here all these fundamental rules to study motion, to study distance and displacement, to study speed and velocity, force and laws of motion, and different chapters in class 9. Okay. So next lesson will be regarding distance and displacement, and for that one we shall be discussing in next chapter.